What's up everyone, welcome back to Workshop Rebuild. In our previous episode you guys saw how we took the engine out of the frame and started to do some work on it by taking off the panels around the engine. Now we ordered a gasket set and hopefully we can rebuild the engine here in a bit. But for today we're going to be taking the paint out, priming the frame and the components, and then hopefully we can get to the semi-gloss black. So stay tuned. Okay, so I got everything prepped for painting now. We're outside. Everything is sanded down, prepped, and taped off. And now I can start priming. The primer is really thin, so I don't have to put any additive to it. And in the background over there, you're going to see the hung up parts that I'm going to be painting as well. Some are accessories from the engine and elsewhere that I just had to take off to rebuild. So without further ado, let's paint all this. As you can see, I just got everything primed, so let's have a close look at it. Okay, moving forward, we got the semi-gloss black for the frame. This is also from the brand Spectra. We cleaned everything out in here perfectly, and now we're gonna open this up. It's my first time using semi-gloss paint. We're gonna open it up, see how the consistency is, and if it's too thick, we're gonna add a little bit of paint thinner, up to probably 5% or so. And from there on we'll be painting the frame, so see you in a bit. Okay, so I'm back outside ready to spray the semi-gloss. It is black. I hope we don't get too much overspray, especially on that tractor over there, but I'm really excited to see how it turns out, so stay tuned. So I just got finished with painting everything from the Bolens, from the frame over there to some engine parts, and over here the steering column and some pulleys. It did take quite a long time, and I do hope you enjoy the whole series of this build so far. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Please give this video a like. Like always, stay tuned.